Hey, this is Steve.
And I'm Natasha from Perfect Tux.
And we're giving you the top trends for Prom 2025. So each year, Prom is the go-to event for all seniors. But for the guys, it's always like, what do I wear? How do I stand out? Well, here at Perfect Tux, we believe in letting your personality shine.
We're gonna show you some of our favorite looks for this upcoming prom season. Let's get Steve to try the looks on.
Ooh, I like this.
I like this look as well. What I love about this is that this is a suit, but it's actually structured like a tuxedo. You'll see that this suit has a shawl lapel, double-breasted, giving very elegant double-breasted tuxedo jackets and suits are in right now. You'll see here that it has a built-in pocket square. This pocket square actually has black in it, so we tied in a black shirt with a matching black bow tie. You can certainly pair this with a navy blue tie, necktie, or just have fun with it and do some pops of color.
Yeah, and I think like it's all about the details here. But I'm so interested to see what people do with double-breasted tuxedos, double-breasted suits, because that's the style we're going to be looking for. That's the trend we're looking for this prom season. Yeah, I like this one. And the thing I love most about this tuxedo is the color. It's red. When you step into a room with a red suit, red tuxedo, you will shine, you will make a statement, you will pop. And I'm expecting to see a lot of red this prom season.
Yes, and not only that, I love this tuxedo. This one here has a peak lapel and it's velvet. I love velvet. I love the contrast between the textures of the jacket and the lapel. It's definitely something that you're gonna stand out in.
Yeah, and the details with the gold buttons, it's always, when it comes to formal wear tuxedo suits, it's always in the details, the little things that make you stand out. So this is definitely a winner right here.
Yes. All right, so for this third and final look, we have this beautiful jacket here. This jacket here, you'll see, has the rhinestones, which is so on trend right now for this season. You'll see here that this has the gold studded rhinestones and the peak lapel.
Yeah, and the thing I love about this one is, again, another jacket that's velvet as well. Velvet's around. We're going to see a lot of velvets coming out this prom season. But the details, again, going back to the details of the lapel, the details of the fabric, it just makes you feel good. But we're going to expect to see this. So those was the looks, the hottest prom trends we're looking to see this season, Prom 2025. Hey, if you liked anything you see, check the comments. We'll have a link in our description that'll link you to all these looks. Until next time, we'll catch you at Perfect Tux.